Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you would be doing great. We have completed our lectures on research methodology. Now this is what a practical lecture that how you need to develop your Google questionnaire in Google Forms. For that, once again I am going to have some revision related to questionnaire. Always there's a cover letter when you are sending any physical letter. This is cover letter like it is of my teacher who has used this, Dr. Ghulam Ali, when he was in France. So he taught me and he provided me this cover letter. So this is a sample cover letter that is sent to the respondent if you are sending physically, or if you are going to email, you will also send this cover letter. With that, obviously I have delivered lecture on questionnaire and questions and other things. So first of all, you need to consider demographic variables, such as you need when you are going to conduct a survey, you need to consider some information related like name, gender, and if it is related with employment, then its employment status. If this is related with the student, then you can ask in which semester, which is your education. So this was related with the employment or employee behavior or research related to employees. That's why the demographics are related with that. So as I have already told you, dichotomous variables are categorical variables. So first of all, you need to select categorical variables that are suitable as per with your research question or research questions. So you will select this and then you will provide what you have Likert scale data. So here in front of you, this is a well designed questionnaire. This is said to be as the coding. PCB is a variable. So from here you can see that PCB, what is PCB? So psychological contract breach, PCB, psychological contract breach, and these are questions which will be asked in Likert data. This is what scale adopted. This is a scale adopted from where it has been adopted from Marison 2000. So or Robinson and Marison 2000. So when you are going to adopt any scale, so you need to have either, if you are making some sort of changes, then you need to run exploratory factor analysis, and if you are accepting that scale as it is, then you need to have confirmatory factor analysis. So you are not up to that level that you are going to run confirmatory factor analysis. However, I will be teaching you exploratory factor analysis. So that is the part of analysis. First of all, right now, how questionnaire developed. Since you are on that stage, you have done your what you can say research proposal. Within that, you have developed your research questions, and then you have done your literature review. Within this, till this stage, you must have been able to identify your variables. As in my previous lectures, I have told you that what is variable, like customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and here we have some variable like organizational identification, psychological contract breach, psychological contract violation, job satisfaction, distrust. These are what variables. So when you have variables, you have some questions to measure that. I have discussed with you guys, if you remember, related to social construct. In social sciences, use of constructs. Excuse me, I have a light issue, so I am going to stop this recording and then we will continue in another part. Till now, thank you. Allah Hafiz.